Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So here comes a new app called Bitcoin Blast, where you can have the link in the description so that you can directly sign up and get started by playing the games. So all you need is clear all the blocks and then you can start earning points, but make sure that you collect more stars, which is on the top. You can see under the score or in the star under the star. So we have to complete the most stars, like about 2 or sometimes 3, so that you get the level completed by playing like this. So here you can see the level is completed. After it touches the 3 stars, it says that the level is completed. So once the game is completed, you have to watch an ad. This is the mandatory for every time. Whenever you play the game or move to next level, you have to watch the ad. So I have skipped the ad in order to start to the next level, but you can't skip it. I have skipped it in a video, and it's mandatory that everybody has to watch the video ad in order to get played to the next level. If not, it won't allow. And you need to combine the same colors of the coins, and then the coins get uh, or the points get added. And whenever you complete things, the level of the stars increases. So like this, you can see for every color you add, you get more than 600 or 500 points of score. So like this, you can do the things on this app. And also whenever you have more moves, you can see that you get the stars, so that you can uh, get more coins collected. And here each and every level is, it gives a target of collecting diamonds or so that you have to collect the diamonds. It's nothing but you have to get the diamonds down so that it fall on your pocket or in your box. So like this, you can complete all the levels. And I like this app because you collect more coins or more score, then you can redeem it into a Coinbase. So I've shared the link of the Coinbase wallet as well, so you can sign up easily. And once you enter the Coinbase wallet email address on this app, you can directly cash out and get it into the Coinbox wallet. And usually takes not more than 24 hours. So the amount reflects in your Coinbase wallet, and like this, you can withdraw. And I have done around 10 plus withdrawals on this app, and you need to wait for a few more days once you withdraw first time or every time, and you collect more coins and redeem more amount. This is going to be the best one over here. And if you like the games, then you can use this app and play more and get more. And even if you lose, you get the points on this app. So I like this app, and you can see the points of the coins are increasing even if you lose. This is going to be the best app ever, which I like for collecting bitcoins or cryptocurrency. And you have to set everything before you withdraw. So make sure that you withdraw in a correct email address of the Coinbase wallet. And here you can see it says processing, and it will be in your account as soon as possible within 24 hours. Sometimes it may take 36 hours, but I used to get before 24 hours. And hope you like the video, guys, and make sure you use the links in the description and create things and start earning. You can also install these apps or download these apps and earn more. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon.